What you're about to see started as a seemingly normal day at the airport. However, sometimes even a normal airport day can turn in an instant. On February 5th, 2024, the Atlanta Police Department was called to the scene for that airport call.
How you doing? Good. You guys go?
This lady scores everybody.
Who?
Her, me, and the wheelchair lady.
Okay.
Everybody.
So what are you guys doing?
Try to be home her, but she's not.
So are you denying a flight or what? What's going on?
Probably not, because she's under something. She can stop. Bothering everybody.
But so you guys gonna let her fly or no?
Probably not. Like that, no, I don't think so.
So this flight about to go out?
No, it's a maintenance.
Okay.
Like she's Spanish.
Okay. She speak English?
No, that's why I'm trying to help her, but she tried to force me.
She seems calmer.
No, she said she start recording me. She told me I'm report you because you don't want to help me.
So what she need help with? She never told you?
No, I don't know why she.
Ma'am, how you doing?
Excuse me.
Yeah,
Hi.
How you doing? Let me talk to you for a second. What's going on?
Yes, my name is Johanna Hernandez. I work on the OMS Mundial YouTuber.
What?
Me liar. Me. You are speaking Spanish?
No, can she translate?
Listo.
Yeah.
Ella dice que no habla
Yeah,
inglés.
let her translate.
Okay. ¿Quién me sirve de traductor? ¿Quién me puede servir de traductor que no sea ella?
Her.
Nadie. ¿Le da miedo?
You speak Spanish?
Yo tengo abogados poderosos.
Hey, speak to her and translate to me.
The lady,
Speak Spanish to her, then translate to me.
no, the lady and me say no English,
Okay?
okay? No Spanish. Me Spanish and ella speaking Spanish. In me they say, marica, yo no sé hablar inglés. Ayúdeme a hablar en inglés, marica. Ustedes como lo que pasa y no ayudan. ¿Quién habla inglés? Nadie habla inglés.
You speak Spanish? Okay,
Yes,
good.
señora, ayúdeme.
She's saying that she was talking to a lady
Diga.
and she just telling her she didn't understand Spanish. And I guess altercation happened. I don't know what happened after that.
Well, ask her what happened as far as the
¿Qué
altercation.
pasó? ¿Qué pasó?
Ok, yo saqué con Spirit, yo compré el tiquete,
She said she went to Spirit, she bought the ticket.
me, the operation today, 6 hours.
Dime en español.
Ah, ok. A mí me van a operar hoy a las 6. Me van a
She's
hacer
about
una.
to get a surgery at 6
Y
o'clock.
yo pedí una silla de ruedas.
She asked for a wheelchair because
La señora dijo que no sabía hablar español y que no me entendía.
she said the lady didn't understand Spanish and she
Y
didn't.
la señora habla español.
So is this the reason why she's so upset? Because she doesn't
Señor.
understand
Eso
Spanish?
porque tú estás fogonado.
Señora,
Eso porque él siente que tú estás bravo.
no, yo hablo así, mi YouTuber in the page, mi
She's a
YouTuber.
That has nothing to do with why I'm here.
Ah,
Okay,
I'm here. Tell her I'm here because she's in here making a ruckus. That's why I'm
¿Que me
here.
va a arrestar?
Mira, él está aquí porque tú estás haciendo mucho ruido acá.
Ah, bueno, es que yo hablo duro porque, dígame,
Ok,
que aquí
pero-
todo el mundo dice porque me van a operar hoy.
Okay,
Y nadie me ayudó.
Chair, and she's trying to speak to people, but nobody understands her.
So she's frustrated because no one understands her.
Nobody understands
Okay,
her.
so
She needs a wheelchair because she's getting an operation.
Y
Okay,
yo-
so this flight's about to go out, correct?
Yeah.
Are they doing maintenance on the plane?
Yeah.
Okay, so the walk from here to the plane is probably 40 feet.
In the
So does she need a
public.
wheelchair to walk
Mira,
40 feet?
tú no necesitas red ahora, ¿verdad?
Señor,
Tú necesitas...
la silla, yo la necesito.
There's no one else here.
No hay más.
There's no one else here.
excuse me, me, 2 sillas.
She said there was 2 seats there when she was asking for them.
And the sillas,
But someone has to push them.
me, ay no.
Tell her,
Mira, mira,
so, tell her, listen.
Ella podía hacer.
The wheelchairs are assigned to someone
Dígale
to push.
que excuse me, que me, no problem. You, friend, I me,
Mira.
agradecido con USA.
Ahora él te está diciendo que cuando tú querías la rueda, alguien tenía que ponerte ahí adentro.
Sí, yo lo hice,
Okay, tú
desde
tenías
allá.
que- okay, she
Excuse me, yo le
said, she
explico.
said she tried to get a chair from when she
Detrás de
checked
esta
in.
señora
She first
estuve
checked
yo.
in.
Yeah, and
She
they
didn't
wouldn't
get
give her
one.
a chair. No. So she
Me-
had to walk all over here. She was telling them that she
Me
would get a
hicieron
chair,
de-
but she wouldn't understand you. She said everything she tried to ask somebody,
Nobody
they kept
could-
acting like
nobody
they
understand.
wouldn't understand it, and they wouldn't understand it, and they wouldn't give her
Well,
nothing.
if you could, just tell her she's
Okay.
she's here now.
Tú estás aquí,
So calm
cálmate,
down.
cálmate.
You're
porque
almost
él,
at your
¿entiendes?
destination.
Y, tú vas a montar en el avión ahora, pues tú
Sí,
tienes que
y,
calmar. Si
mi,
tú no
yo,
te calmas, ella te va
yo
a arrestar.
calme, no, y arrésteme.
Ok,
Si
pero
quiere.
cálmate,
No.
cálmate. Eso que yo te estoy
Explain
diciendo
to her,
aquí,
it's
de
the-
que te calmes.
Yes, and explain
Que
to her
te
this.
calmes.
Are you-
She has to abide what
Que
they
te
say.
calmes. Si ellos no te quieren entrar al vuelo, porque como tú
Ok,
estás haciendo.
que no me entre.
Ok, pero-
Yo me quedo
sí,
mejor.
Pero
Diga,
cálmate.
yo me
porque-
quedo
I've been
aquí.
porque-
You're not boarding?
yes,
Okay, so
I've been
now
not boarding.
her board is denied now. So
No,
now,
no boarding?
Yeah, no
No,
boarding.
mejor porque ahí sí los voy a
You drove up here,
demandar.
Dr. Wall?
Mejor.
You drove, I
Gracias,
walked.
señor.
Okay, I'll walk you down.
Yo voy a
You take it
pasar
back to
my
the front.
liar, in the,
Okay, mira,
yes,
okay.
eso era lo que necesitaba, señor.
Follow him.
Camínenme
Thank you,
atrás.
brother. Appreciate you. Thank you, man. Yeah, I know. I can tell. Yeah.
No me van a operar. No voy a viajar hoy, viajo mañana. Tranquila que viajo mañana. Yo compro el avión. Aquí me van a arrestar. Espere. Yo sé que usted me está viendo. Pero ellos están
You need what?
cometiendo. Todo el mundo aquí está loco.
No, you don't.
Ya no más. No más,
she
no
not,
más.
you,
Que
you,
respete.
you don't know who she is?
Tome mi
Where's your
teléfono.
boarding pass?
Señor.
Your boarding pass.
In the liar, me
I need
búsqueme.
your boarding pass.
Okay.
Your boarding pass, yes, that.
Tranquila, señora, que esto se le formó con mierdero a usted. A
That's
mí
good.
no.
You ready?
Me va a arrestar.
Good. She upset because she wanted a wheelchair way when she checked in. They didn't give her one. She got upset because nobody was understanding or giving her what she wanted. So then she comes to the gate and she starts making a ruckus about why she had to walk so far. And then so now, but my thing is, you're here now, so why make the ruckus? You already made it here. But she's not understanding that. She wants to
The
keep
lady?
pushing her thing. Let's go, man. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Escúcheme, por favor.
We passed that now. Let's go.
No me voy a montar en el avión.
Yeah, you getting off this terminal.
Me pago taxis, ¿ok?
No, yeah, okay.
Mi legal en Estados Unidos.
How you doing, young lady? Good, man. Let's go.
Ay, gracias, señor, gracias,
Let's go.
padre.
Yep. Just gonna give you a ride back to Spirit.
No, espere.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. You're going.
No.
Listen, you going to go or you going to go to jail? Let's go.
Me
Get in the
voy.
car. Let's go. Get your stuff. Let's go. Let's go.
Mire,
Let's go.
no,
Let's go, man.
no.
Hey, you can't be out here. Hey, you can't be out here. Get in the car. You can't be out here.
Cójame.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
Hágale.
Come on.
No me vaya a tocar.
Get in the car.
No me grite. Arrésteme. No, qué pesado.
Hey, get in the car. This bitch on drugs. Yeah, I know.
Nayib Bukele in my phone. You. No, Nayib, no.
Hey, let me close
Dios.
this shit.
You in the problem. You, OMS. Ustedes atentaron contra mi salud. Se metieron en problemas. Ustedes se metieron en problemas. I'm illegal. You.
Look at me, person.
No. You attempted myself. Ojo, me botan las cosas, señor. You attempted my derechos humanos. Los derechos humanos, dale, señor. Usted me pegó. No. No. Yo no soy una ladrona que le pegue. Ay, no.
Stand up. Stand, man.
No me cojan. Suéltame. ¡Auxilio! ¡Help! 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 Ellos... ¡Ay! ¡Mis manos! ¡My hands! ¡My arms! ¡Estúpido! My liar. In the dash, my liar. Todo esto lo van a pagar. No conmigo, sino contigo. No me cojas así.
Stand still.
You very problems.
Yeah, I know.
Excuse me. You speak in Spanish?
Nope.
I need speak in Spanish.
somebody out there.
Liar.
Okay, hold up.
Ah, pues puta, mis brazos.
Tranquilo.
Mira cómo me pegó. Me auxilio. Yo trabajo con la Organización Mundial de la Salud, ¿ok?
Sí, habla un poquito español. Un momento. What was the issue?
Me
She
pegó
was
en
out
la
of
cara.
spirit.
Mira cómo me
Acting up,
volvió.
cussing
Mire.
out people back in the phone,
Mira.
so
Yo no
it's not
estoy
aborted.
loca.
It's okay.
Por favor,
Escort you
hablemos
out.
de
So we go to escort her out. She walks with us. She gets out to the car. She takes off running out to one of the planes. So I had to run her down.
So nobody Spanish has talked to her yet?
No.
I had a guy there that was translating well,
What
but
was she
the problem was she's upset because
Please, me
she
puede
wanted a
quitar
wheelchair
esto. Yo no me
when she
voy a
first
burlar.
checked in, and she didn't get the wheelchair, so she's pissed off because she had to walk because she
No,
had some
señorita,
surgery
no,
or something,
Okay.
and she's mad. So then she gets to the gate and she's expressing how mad she is because she didn't get a wheelchair.
Okay.
Now she wants one at the gate. But I'm like, well, listen,
No,
you about to
I
board
know
the plane.
how
You don't need the chair now if you walked all the way out here. So why all the hubbub? Just wait and get on your
Señora,
plane.
yo
Okay.
soy una
So
hija
then,
de Dios. Él
not
me
aborting?
pegó. Él
She
me
says,
abusó. Él
take me,
abusó
take me,
de
okay,
mí.
cool. She
Y
understood.
de mis
Get outside.
derechos. Yo tengo
Wanted
derechos.
to
Soy
pick you up,
ciudadana.
take her stuff, put it back in the car.
Colombiana.
She takes off
Pero
running.
también tengo a Dios en mi corazón. Yo no
So-
hice nada malo. Yo pedí una silla de ruedas porque me dolía la espalda mucho. Y yo pagué por eso desde el principio. Una señora en
there's
español dijo
obviously
que no
a
sabía
language
hablar
barrier.
español. Yo no hablo
So,
inglés y yo a todo el
we
mundo
need
le
to make
pedía
like
que me
another
ayudara y nadie me ayudaba.
Just to kind of.
La señora me trató muy
the
mal.
guy that was
yo solamente
translating for
estaba
me, I
diciendo,
got
puede
the
ver
gist
la
of the
cosa,
story.
que Spirit era la mejor
Yeah, I think she did because she
empresa.
kept taking
¿Por
me,
qué?
taking me. I'm
Yo
like,
le pedí ayuda a todo el mundo.
Yo comprendo. Un momento.
Ok, métame acá.
see, she's
Métame
doing what she
acá.
want to do. She ain't trying to listen.
Y my liar. Quitan esto. My liar.
She do what she want to do. It was
My
coming.
liar.
Asking to have a hand.
My liar. Please. My liar and my phone.
Nah, you ain't getting no phone.
I have the rest. I call my phone.
You ain't getting no phone.
I need the men.
All suspects are innocent until proven guilty. Thank you for watching.